looking at the bigger picture now, do you think this is a temporary victory for you? Because if we're gonna look at the presidential surveys, there's a possibility that another Duterte might be, might take the presidential post in 2028, a few years from now. Do you think if that happens, things will be different again for you? Especially that you're really one of the most vocal critics of former President Duterte.
Most definitely, it's going to be a resumption of that 6-year nightmare of the Duterte administration. At probably hindi lang sa akin, pati sa inyo, sa Rappler. Ano. So it's going to be a nightmare for the um, the people in the sectors and the organizations who advocate for strong democracies. No? Kasi ang Dutertes talagang anti-democracy sila. Gusto nila yung gusto mga hari o reyna sila. Kaya hindi na pagka nalalagay sila sa lugar or hindi nila nakukuha yung gusto nila, nawawala sila sa wisyo. Kaya sana naman hindi mangyari ang nightmare na yan, yung pangungot na yan. Kaya we have time. 2024 pa lang ngayon, 2028 pa yung susunod, na talagang palakasin yung mga kandidatong kailangan natin ilagay sa Malacanang sa 2028.